How to add a customer to the customer list in back office in Alto's POS and inventory system. From the back office dashboard, go to Customers, then select Customer List. Tap the Add Customer button. Fill in the customer's details carefully. When you're done, tap Save. That's it. The new customer profile will now appear in your customer list. Now, let's look at how to add a customer using Alto's POS and inventory system during a sale. From the point of sale screen, go to the top right corner of the ticket area. Tap the Add Customer icon. In the pop-up window, tap the Add Customer button at the bottom. Enter the customer's details, then tap Save, and you are done. The next customer is now successfully added to your customer list. Simple, quick, and efficient.